Well, good morning, my glorified poultry. I hope you're doing well. Straight into the markets. Bitcoin 16829, that's basically level. Ethereum 1253, that's basically level. BNB down 1% to 257. Biggest positive for the day is XEC, which is up 7. Biggest negative is HT, which is down 9. Overall, the markets are just fucking in limbo, waiting to see what direction they're going to go. Yeah. I don't even want to have a gamble, if I'm honest, at this point. Look, the Feds did their big announcement yesterday, and they've said that rate cuts won't happen in 2023, citing that the risk of inflation is still too great. That's not great. We kind of wanted rate cuts, but there you go. Because of that, I don't know, it wasn't bad news, it wasn't good news, was it? And I think that's the problem. The markets have not had a clear direction to flow in. So we just need to watch now for any movement and see what happens. Yeah, I'm not going to throw my hat in the ring on this one. Sorry. Alright, in Ripple news, MoneyGram is required to seal part of its findings and filings in the lawsuit. India's crypto taxes are clearly pushing users away to foreign exchanges. I mean, that's kind of obvious, I thought, really, but there you go. The cash inflows just plain inflows into exchanges is surging massively. So we are going to have some major movement, and soon. The very popular Traders Joe, DEX and DeFi, it's going to expand to cover the BNB chain, so that's good. Shiba Inu started the year with a massive burn. And Bone suddenly rallied 15%. I'm assuming this is all in anticipation of the Shibaverse. A lot of bollocks, but hey ho, if it brings in the money, it brings in the money, doesn't it? Very strong rumours that Binance US will be sued by the SEC, although I don't anticipate that's anything to worry about as such. They'll just pay the fine and move on. Coinbase just got done for allowing users without thorough background checks from the New York regulators, and hardly anyone even mentioned that. That's only 50 million fine, innit? Who gives a fuck about a lousy little 50 million, eh? The crypto-focused bank Silvergate not having a good time. Judge ordered the seizure of money from FTX Digital Markets. It literally had to sell a lot of its assets at a loss as it struggled to cover over 8.1 billion in withdrawals during the crypto meltdown. And they have also just announced they're going to cut their staff by 40%. They have said they are still very crypto positive and it's just a blip in the market. But that ain't going to feed those staff's families, so whatever. Tesla has filed papers and said it's going to start creating electric engines for aeroplanes, boats and more. Not really crypto related, but anything that affects fucking Musk affects the crypto markets, because that's just how twisted it all is. And that's basically where you sit on this glorious Thursday morning. Yeah. Well, join me tomorrow morning for more news and updates. Hopefully, I'll be able to give you more insight tomorrow on the markets. My analysis for today is bollocks. I'm aware of that. But, yeah. What can I say? You know, whatever. Anyway, have fun.
All things crypto by a duck life. See you next time.